So do you guys remember when Econet launched SmartBiz and we were expecting NetOne to do the same, but they didn't? Well, NetOne has finally launched their own data bundles to rival Econet, but a part of me wished that they didn't. This video is sponsored by Simba Tasker. Complete your routine tasks faster and smarter. Now, it's a difficult time to get on the internet in Zimbabwe at the moment, right? If you don't have Starlink or you cannot afford Liquid's fiber, you're pretty much cooked. Your only option is to wade through the cesspool of overpriced and slow internet, hoping to find a savior. So NetOne has announced new data bundles, which they are calling Big Beautiful Bundles, or BBB. Now, are they the savior or they are adding more muck into the cesspool? You be the judge. So NetOne has announced 3 packages, starting with the BBB 100 for $45, and it gives customers 100 gigs of data at 5 megabits per second speed. Now, if you compare that to Econet Smart Max package, you get the same amount of data, but Econet is charging $50. Seems like NetOne is the clear winner, right? Except that Smart Max package has no speed cap. Now, Econet offers 2 more cheaper bundles. The Smart Lite for $30, you get 50 gigs of data, and the Smart Plus package for $40, which gives customers 75 gigs with no speed cap. Now, this is where it gets interesting. NetOne's second package, called the BBB 150, is going for $80. And if you haven't picked it up from the name, you're only getting 150 gigs of data. Now, Econet, on the other hand, is giving customers 200 gigs of data for $70. Granted, the speeds of the SmartFlex package is 7 megabits per second, and NetOne is offering speeds at 10 megabits per second, which, to be honest, there's no difference, right? Now, if you thought your flabbers were gusted, brace yourself for this. Simba Tasker. This is a platform that connects Zimbabwean businesses and sellers. You can sign up as a business or as a service seeker. What makes Simba Tasker worthwhile is that every seller and corporate can be rated by customers, ensuring that only the best companies remain on the platform. And for the customer, convenience and peace of mind. You can download Simba Tasker on Android and iOS. There's also a web version as well, link in the description if you want to check it out. Now, NetOne's biggest package is the BBB 200, and for that you get 200 gigs of data. And guess for how much? A whopping $130 US. Yes, it's not a typo. 130 big ones. And the speed of the package is 15 megabits per second. So somebody's clearly smoking shisha at NetOne, because what? Now they're making Econet look like saints, because Econet has the Smart Ultra package for $99, which gives customers 400 gigs of data. Now, this is getting ridiculous, right? But you know what bothers me the most? The fact that Portras is just quiet. They're not even saying anything or even protecting the customers, which is part of their mandate, by the way. But you know what they're good at? Protecting these internet service providers. Now, here's a side-by-side comparison of the 2 packages. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.